Very good morning, students. Take out your computer book and computer copy. So today we will do section A, true or false, application based question and match the following. Okay, yes. So a digital camera is used to share picture and have live chat on the internet. True or false? First heading is right, section A, and next heading is state true or false. Then first one is a digital camera is used to share pictures and have live chat on the internet. True or false? This is the false statement because a digital camera is used to take pictures, not to share pictures. Okay, so right, false, false. Next one is the CPU manages all the jobs of a computer. No, it is false statement. So this is a false. Next one is a multifunction printer is used, also known as all-in-one printer. There is no type of printer, inkjet printer, laser printer, right? Not a multifunction printer is also known as all-in-one printer. Okay, so this is a false. RAM stands for random access memory. It is false statement. Why? Because RAM stands for random access memory. So this is a false. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. No, 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. So this is a false. All statements are false. Next is application based question. Smriti has lost her computer notebook in the class. Okay, and the next day she has to appear for a test. Which device will you suggest her to use that we can take the photocopy of the chapters from her friend notebook? Simply printer, right? Answer is printer. So by using, right, write the answer. By using printer, she should be able to copy the chapter from her friend's notebook. And next one is Shohil could not finish his project work in the class, so he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house in order to finish it. Which device will you suggest him to fulfill the task? Simply answer is pen drive. So answer is PENDRIVE, pen drive. Okay, next is match the following. This is a section A and this is a section B. So Blu-ray disc is 128 gigabyte. MU stands for memory unit, stands for weight. CD stands for 4.7 inch in diameter, and MU stands for stores information. Speaker stands for used to listen to music and sound effects. So this is a class work. Thank you, students, and have a nice day, and do neat and clean work and do this work in your fair copy. Thank you.